Sorry I look really bad right now. It's not gonna happen again. Okay, so let's get started. I guess we'll start here. So this is my desk area. If you can't tell, it's green. That's my mirror. And I have like this, I need to get frames or hang up, I'm not sure. Headbands and stuff in here. Yeah. Curlers, my camera, CDs. Action item. I love them. They're so good. And they signed it. And then, yeah. And then here's some wires. My Nair glasses that you see me wear a lot in my videos. My nail kit. My doggy. Say hi. Okay. So then we'll go this way. That's a door that leads to my own porch. Yeah. And then here's like my nightstand, which has my flip-flops on it. Notepads and magazines. Fashion magazines. I love fashion. And then my Uggs. And then we're on my bed right now. This is just my bat mitzvah stuff. Well, yeah. And then this is just like Victoria's Secret bags, camera stuff, all that cool stuff. My Hollister bag that I absolutely love. I have two of them. And this one's I just use for school, and the other one I use for like vacations and stuff. And it's my phone. And that's my bed. And then we come over here, it's my hamper. And here is my clothes that I don't put away because I got them over Christmas. I haven't really put some of them away. It's just all this really nice Hollister stuff that I love. And then outdoors. And then I'm going away for spring break in 15 days, and I have this. And so you put it on your neck, and it's like really squishy if you can't see. So yeah. And then pictures, nail polish, pictures, my camera case, my iPad. Those really good mints. Those mints are amazing, I tell you. They are a bomb. Oh, I love them. Like, anyway. And then it's like my little pink section, and there's a light here. It's like a window bench and looks out to my backyard, if you can't tell. It's kind of like, well, you can probably see the weird stuff, but yeah, that's it. And it's kind of like still winter. Spring doesn't start until 5 more days. So once spring's here, it'll be all bloomy and trees and not so dead looking and scary. And this is my stereos right here. Yeah. And then my bathroom that I share with my sister. Her room's like right there, if you can't tell. Oh, the pink. And then oh yeah, I keep some clothes in here too, if you can't tell. Sorry. And then I have some clothes in here. And then my TV, which is kind of awesome because my TV's right there. And then my bed's like right there. So I'll just be chilling and I can look at it. So that's cool. And then here's my closet. This is a really cute purse that I have. This woman actually like handmade it and stuff. So I really like it. I love it actually. This is my closet. It's kind of messy. And then that's really it. That's my room. Nothing major. So I hope you guys like my room. I like it, so I hope you guys like it. And come back every week for more videos and every day for new videos. Bye. And now the last part was for me to do the alphabet backwards, which is completely hard, and I'll try my best, but I'm probably gonna mess up. Okay. Go. Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Yeah, I did it. Whoa, yay. Okay, I'm really happy now.